What's up guys, Tech Central here with the top 5 gaming PC cases that you can currently buy under $50. All the cases that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box in the order that they appear, so it's easier for you guys to find them. But with that being said, let's get on with this video with number 5 on the list. So we have the Roseville ATX case. This is a mid-tower case with a blue LED fan. It also features a side panel window with 3 fans pre-installed, and it's currently going for $35. There's 4 different options you can pick from, and they're all under the $50 budget range. It has a very stylish and neat design for a computer gaming case. It has multiple I/O ports and a toolless design docking station with top-mounted I/O port. It has 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and audio in and output. And the gaming mid-tower gives you the best convenience to their gaming systems with a toolless design with a 3.5-inch and a 5.25-inch hard drive station that offers an ease to use to access the PC. It also features a transparent window to level up gaming experience for users. It comes equipped with a transparent panel with a stylish look that gives the gamers to see what is inside the gaming desktop and allows the leaking light of internal components. It supports up to 134mm CPU coolers with up to 380mm in graphics card length, and it has multiple PCIe slots that provides gamers for more flexibility to upgrade their system for speedy and exciting practice. This case is perfect for somebody that's looking to build around a budget of $400 or even $350. This will be a really nice case to build in. But if you have a little bit more money to spend, the next best option is the Thermaltake Versa N2N translucent panel. This is an ATX mid-tower case with a window. This is currently going for $40. This is a really nice case. There's 2 different colors you can pick from. You have black and you have white. This is a really nice sleek looking gaming case that provides basically everything you need to build a PC. I mean, every case does, but this will be a better experience than the Roseville because it provides really nice cable management routings in the back. It features the innovative 5.25-inch and a 3.5-inch tool-free drive bay design that minimizes the hassles of installation and removal. The top front panel features 1 USB 3.0 data transfer port along with 2 standard USB 2.0 ports, as well as an HD microphone and headset jack to grant direct access when needed. It has a pre-installed 120mm rear exhaust fan and 2 optical 120mm intake fans with integrated dust filters optimized system ventilation. It also has pre-mounted holes that supports motherboards up to standard ATX and CPU coolers installation with up to a 160mm radiator at the top, and up to 250mm graphics card are supported. This is a really nice case for people that are on a $500 budget, but if those 2 cases don't suit your needs, then check out the Raid Max ATX 403WB mid-tower gaming case. This is currently going for $50. This is a really nice case that supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards. It has 7 expansion slots with 4 fan slots, and it features 2 5.25 inches external bay and an internal bay of 3.5 inches and 3 2.5 inches for SSDs and regular hard drives. This is also a really nice case to build in for somebody that's on the $400 budget range, $500 budget range, and even $600 budget range. Next up, we're going to take a look at the Deepcool Tesseract SW, the red version. This is going for $40. There's 2 different versions you can pick from: the blue version with the blue front bezel and the blue LED fan in the case, and the red version. This case is an ATX mid-tower case. It is made out of CPCC plastic and rubber coating with a panel thickness of 0.7mm. It supports micro ATX, mini ATX, and ATX motherboards with 7 expansion slots, and the front I/O panel features 1 USB 3.0 port, 1 USB 2.0 port, and 1 audio port with 1 microphone port. And it also features a really badass looking side panel window to show off all the parts in the build. And lastly on the list is the Corsair Speckle 1 mid-tower gaming case. You've seen me feature this case in most, if not all, of my top 5 case videos. This is honestly one of the best budget cases out there for $50 in my opinion. You also get really nice cable management routings in the bag. It fits micro ATX, mini ATX, and ATX motherboards. It also features 7 PCI slots with the room for long graphics cards up to 420mm in length, and you can install up to 4 storage drives of your choice of 3.5 inches or 2.5 inches, and each tray does fit both, so if you do all SSD it'll work, if you do all hard drive they'll work. And it has dust filters for front and the power supply intake. It also features a USB 3.0 front port with internal connectors and tons of fan mounts, and also comes included with one 120mm fan LED fan. But yeah, that is going to conclude this video, guys. If you enjoyed, give this video a like. If you want to buy any of the cases that I mentioned in this video, check the description box below. All the products will be linked down there. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, follow me on Twitter for the latest updates. bookmark my Amazon affiliate link and use it when you buy stuff. And I will see you all in the next video.